Hey, what's going on? Sean here over at Arbutus RV in Port Alberni. And I've got a walkthrough tour here of a tiny home. This is made by Statton Rock over on the lower mainland. Statton Rock Simply Living. And this is the Yaletown model. Really well built. You've got 8 or 2x8 or 2x10 floor joists, all spray foam insulated. The walls are 2x6, all spray foam insulated. This one does have tanks built into it, so you've got black and gray tanks with a monitor in the bathroom, but most of these are just plumbed right out, so you just run them directly into your septic system. So here we'll just take a little tour through. I'll try and point out a few things, but mostly just a chance to get a feel for what this looks like. A little bit nicer than just looking through a few photos and reading a description. So this will just give you a little bit of a better feel. So we'll go into the bathroom here. Really nice bathroom with this nice shower surround. There's your tank reading monitor right there. Mirror is pretty cool. They say that mirror makes you look 20 pounds lighter. We'll leave that for you to find out. Yeah, so we've got some storage in here. Nice soft close cabinetry throughout. Little heater right there. There's a thermostat on the wall for that heater. You do also have a mini split up on the wall there. The unit is out on the front, just sitting up top of the tongue of the frame. So that's your heat pump. We've got some stairs up here to the bedroom. Here's your main bedroom area. There is a room in the front of this one, so if you wanted to have your room, your sleeping area down below with a Murphy bed or something like that, you could do that or use it as a living room. We'll get down there in a moment. You've got plugins on both sides of where you would put your mattress here. Nice big skylight there. There's a plug-in over on the other side as well. Nice railing with glass in it. And yeah, let's take a little bit of a closer look at the kitchen. Nice soft close, metal sides, solid wood. The manufacturer of this tiny home also has a kitchen division, so they specialize in a few different things. Kitchens, custom homes, and now tiny homes as of, I think 2021 is when they got into them. Frigidaire, fridge freezer here, all residential appliances. You've got your Electrolux and Frigidaire appliances here. So your dishwasher, nice oven, 4-burner cooktop. And again, you've got the soft close on everything. I'll show you that here as well. There's your plumbing. Look at that plumbing. Really nice stuff throughout. All soft close. That'll take a bit. It's a little cool today, so the soft close moves a little slower when it's cool out. There's your hot water heater in the cupboard there. A little bit of storage room underneath there, and then it's plumbed right outside as well. 50 amp power cord, so similar to an RV. You can plug this into a 50 amp plug. There's your there's a wheel well right there, so that's why that's sitting there. Plugins all over the place. Again, very residential in its construction. Nice fireplace out front here, so another heat source. This is that room that you could use as a bedroom if you wanted to, and just have a Murphy bed, and then just keep that upstairs room for, as you know, storage or for guests or something like that. So just look at the detail and fit and finish throughout. Really nicely done. Great paint colors in here as well. I like how they've used the dark stain on the ceiling. Really great looking windows. There's no window coverings on anything, so that's up to you to decide how you would like to finish it off. That would be where you'd put probably your cable and your TV connection. Looks like that's probably just for airflow or air exchange there. I'm not totally sure. Yeah, so another look through. You've got metal cladding on the siding. Yeah, everything's very residential. Your windows are all done with the blue skin wrap, just like you would see in new construction, new home construction. Proper windows that you would find in a, let's turn this on here. There we go. Got some nice lights underneath there. Yeah, proper windows that you'd find in a new home construction as well. So yeah, all these windows are all on sliders. Oh, there's a lock there. I guess you could flip that up, yeah. Let's see, how do we close that? Oh, there we go. Close that up. Yeah, so there you go. That is the Yaletown by Statton Rock here at Arbutus RV. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see another one of our models, or maybe a fifth wheel, maybe the tiny home isn't quite what you're looking for, or you're not able to put this in your space as far as the size or your regional district, please reach out. Again, Sean Lawson here at Arbutus RV. Our website can be found at www.arbutusrv.ca. Hope you have a great day.